Today, an African-American female host takes you inside the largest U.S. banana stem processing factory.
¡Ándale, rápido! ¡Siguiente camión!
¡Cuidado, pesado!
¡Apilen aquí!
Okay, pull forward to bay 3.
Bay 3, got it.
And watch the conveyor.
Every day, this facility processes hundreds of thousands of pounds of bananas, moving them along these conveyors. As the stems move toward extraction, the sheer scale of the operation highlights our commitment to efficiency and fiber quality.
The uniform banana stem sections are fed directly into these advanced decortication machines, streamlining the fiber extraction process. The freshly washed banana fibers move along the conveyors, dripping water as they approach the large mechanical presses for processing. The drying system ensures perfect consistency. This alignment of the banana fibers is crucial for the next stage of production.
After extraction, the fibers are thoroughly washed and dewatered before moving to the processing area.
Meticulously organized, these fiber bundles represent the pinnacle of our global distribution network, ready to ship worldwide.
This one failed the stress test. It needs to go back to the line.
All right, I'll log it immediately. We can't compromise the reliability score.
Check this against the manifest, John. Are we clear for shipment?
Yes, looks accurate. We can load it now.
The tensile strength on batch 4 is slightly below target. Adjust the drying temperature by 5 degrees and monitor the next cycle.
Look at the tensile strength right here. It's exceeding the baseline by 20%.
The biopolymer ratio seems stable at this temperature. We should log it.
If we optimize the flow rate here, we reduce energy consumption significantly.
My analysis confirms the projection.
The moisture levels are holding steady right here.
And the latest data confirms optimal decomposition rates.
Excellent. This batch. Okay, pull forward to bay 3.
Bay 3, got it.
And watch the conveyor.
This one failed the stress test. It needs to go back to the line.
All right, I'll log it immediately. We can't compromise the reliability score.